The service exhaust fluid system warning in your Duramax diesel engine indicates a problem with the selective catalytic reduction system, which is critical for reducing harmful emissions and maintaining compliance with environmental regulations. This warning appears when the truck's emission control system detects a malfunction that could affect the engine's ability to meet EPA emission standards. The SCR system uses diesel exhaust fluid, or DEF, to convert harmful nitrogen oxides into harmless nitrogen and water vapor through a chemical reaction in the exhaust stream. The process works by injecting DEF into the hot exhaust stream, where it breaks down into ammonia gas that reacts with nitrogen oxides in the SCR catalyst. The DEF system consists of 7 main components that work together to ensure proper emission control. Each component has sensors that monitor system performance and can trigger the service warning if problems occur. The service warning has 5 primary causes. DEF quality issues account for 40% of cases, often due to contaminated or expired fluid. Sensor malfunctions represent 25%, while pump and injector problems cause 20% of warnings. The SCR process requires exhaust temperatures above 500 degrees Fahrenheit. DEF is injected into the hot exhaust stream where it breaks down into ammonia, which then reacts with nitrogen oxides in the catalyst to produce harmless nitrogen and water. Understanding how the SCR system works and the common causes of failures is essential for proper maintenance and quick diagnosis when the service warning appears. When facing a service exhaust fluid system warning, start with these essential diagnostic steps. First, check your DEF level and quality. Next, perform a visual inspection. Look for leaks around the tank and lines, check for white crystallization buildup, and inspect all electrical connections. Use a professional scan tool to check for diagnostic trouble codes. Common DEF system codes include P20EE for catalyst efficiency, P207F for fluid quality issues, and P20B9 for heater problems. Based on your diagnosis, here are the most common fixes and their typical costs. DEF quality sensor replacement is the most frequent repair, costing between $150 and $300. Always use high-quality API-certified DEF. This certification ensures the fluid meets strict purity standards and will not damage your emission system components. Perform regular DEF system maintenance every 30,000 miles. GM has recently improved sensor technology and ECM calibrations to reduce false warnings, and extended warranties may be available on affected models. Following these diagnostic steps and maintenance practices will help you resolve DEF system warnings quickly and prevent future issues. Remember that early intervention can save you from costly repairs and keep your Duramax running efficiently.